Breaking news. Høødlums attack as they attempt to raise INEC office down in Kano State this morning. Some Høødlums attacked the local government office of the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, in Takwa local government area of Kano State. The Høødlums also attempted to set the commissioner office ablaze as fight broke out between political supporters at the headquarters in Takwa town this morning. The fire was set up behind the building, but it was quenched before it made serious damage. However, some people sustained injury from the fracas that initially broke out, but they have since been taken to the hospital for treatment, while 4 persons have been killed. The police relations officer in Kano, SP Abdullahi Arana, confirmed the incident, said the fire was set up at the generator house behind the office building, but it was put off immediately.